Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. So when you're using Steadybit, you're obviously benefiting from the automatic discovery of your system to make it really easy to create chaos engineering experiments to improve the reliability. You're also benefiting from the Explorer capability of Steadybit, helping you to visualize your system and understanding it, as well as from Steadybit's advice to detect reliability gaps in your infrastructure, suggest experiments to test your reliability improvements, and run them easily. And of course, whenever you're thinking about experiments and you're designing one, you can benefit from the huge variety of chaos engineering attacks, checks, load test integrations, and integrations into observability that Steadybit has. And also when running it, you can easily see everything at a glance in the live run view. But the secret for all of this is actually that it's coming from Steadybit's open source extensions, which allow you to integrate whatever technology you're thinking of. And the most important part, given that they're open source, you can even create your own extension by using one of the extension kits that we offer to you as well. This video is a series of videos covering each of the different extension kits, allowing you to understand how you can use them to make it a perfect fit for your infrastructure and customize Steadybit to roll out chaos engineering successfully. In this video, we want to focus on EventKit. EventKit allows you to send chaos engineering events from your Steadybit platform to any other service in your environment by listening to certain execution events of an experiment. This is a huge benefit, for instance, to integrate it with observability tools and keep track of experiment runs across your organization. So EventKit helps you to develop your own extension. To understand EventKit in more details, we can check out the extension scaffold public template repository and open it up in a code space to have a running extension and play around with the HTTP endpoints. So once I've opened it up in a code space, you can check out the readme.http, which explains each concept of the EventKit and also allows you to run requests against the extension to understand the capabilities in more detail. Now let's open up this one in a separate tab to show you real quick how the EventKit registration looks like. You can see that EventKit is all about event listeners. You can listen to different events or simply all events that are emitted by Steadybit and then get those events posted to this specific HTTP endpoint. You can also check out in our EventKit API what kind of events are available that you can listen to be notified whenever one of the event is happening. For instance, you can listen to kill switch engagement or disengagement, or each life cycle of the experiment, as well as a specific experiment step. As soon as one of the events is happening, the extension is informed with a proper HTTP post request, having a body of the, for instance, experiment execution as full detail to use the information and send it to other systems. That's, for instance, the mechanism we are using to send events to Datadog, where we can simply see which kind of attacks have been executed on which infrastructure components to understand the full picture also in our observability tools like Datadog. So one concept that we haven't covered in this video is the extension registration. So how an agent knows all the different extensions to benefit from the custom provided capabilities by those extensions and including that into the Steadybit platform. That's part of another video I will link down in the description so that you can understand how this works. Whenever you want to get started with your extension, please make sure to check out the extension scaffold. You can simply fork it to create your own extension and run it right away. Whenever you have questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and take care.